One Well, The Story of Water on Earth, written by Rochelle Strauss, illustrated by Rosemary Woods. Pages 20 and 21. Access to the well. Some families are lucky. They can turn on the tap for drinking water, to fill a bathtub, wash their car, or water the garden. But other families around the world are less fortunate. 1 billion people, almost 16% of Earth's population, have to walk more than 15 minutes to get to the nearest water supply. There, they gather water for the day, just a few jugs, barely enough for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. Other families don't have access to enough water to meet even these most basic needs. While the amount of water on Earth is always the same, the distribution of water across the world isn't. Huge differences in rainfall can happen from country to country and even within the same country. Less rainfall means less water available in lakes, rivers, and aquifers. Sometimes there just isn't enough water where it's needed most. Because water is not evenly distributed across the globe, nearly 1/5 of the world's population does not have access to enough water. Many of these people live in Africa and Asia. A bucket of water weighs about 10 kilograms or 22 pounds. Imagine if you had to carry a bucket or two from a well to your house every day. China and India are home to over 1/3 of the world's population, yet they only have access to 1/10 of the world's water, the world's fresh water. North America has 1/3 of the population of Africa, yet North Americans use 3 times as much water. How is this possible? Nearly 300 million people in Africa do not have access to enough fresh water. So in this table, here's the place, and here's the average daily water use per person. And one bucket is 2.6 US gallons, so like 2.5 milk jugs. So in North America, 55 buckets. Russia, 27.5 buckets. Poland, 14 buckets. India, 7 buckets. Nepal, 3 buckets. Haiti, 1.5 buckets. And Ethiopia, just 1 bucket.